Hey guys, Mr. Wellness here with another Wellness 101 quick tip. Today we're going to talk about what to do when someone in your home is sick. Viruses spread from person to person mainly through droplets that fly out when you cough or sneeze. These droplets can land on the nose or mouths of others nearby if they're not at least 6 feet away from the sick. Germs can also be passed when these droplets land on high-touch surface areas like handrails and doorknobs. We get sick if we touch these surfaces and then touch our nose, mouth, or eyes before we've had a chance to wash our hands. Trying to stop the spread of illness within the home while somebody's already sick can be challenging, but these recommendations should help. One of the best things you can do to help contain the spread of illness within the home is to isolate the sick. Consider having them stay in a specific room and away from others as much as possible. This includes mealtime as well. Along with isolation, it's extremely important to clean and disinfect constantly. Now let's take a minute and talk about the difference between cleaning and disinfecting, as the two are not one and the same. Cleaning is the removal of germs, dirt, and impurities from surfaces with the use of soap and water. Cleaning does not kill germs, but by removing them, it lowers their numbers and the risk of spreading infection. Disinfecting is using chemicals to kill germs on surfaces. This process does not necessarily clean dirty surfaces or remove germs, but by killing germs on a surface after cleaning, it can further lower the risk of spreading infection. Diluted household bleach solutions, alcohol solutions with at least 70% alcohol, and most common EPA-registered household disinfectants should do the trick. Clean and disinfect all household high-touch surface areas daily, like tables, hardback chairs, doorknobs, light switches, remotes, handles, desks, toilets, and sinks. If you use reusable gloves while cleaning, be sure to wipe them down with an antibacterial wipe when finished to limit recontamination, and clean your hands immediately after use. Consider reducing the cleaning of the sick person's room to as needed to limit as much contact with them as possible. When it comes to cleaning clothing, linens, and towels, if it's possible, try not to shake the dirty laundry. This will minimize the possibility of dispersing germs through the air. Launder items using the warmest appropriate setting and dry them completely. Dirty laundry from a sick person can be washed with other people's items. Just don't forget to clean and disinfect the clothes hamper too. Lastly, practice good hand hygiene. Household members should clean their hands as much as possible, including immediately after removing gloves, after contact with someone who's sick, after using the bathroom, after touching animals, and before they cook or eat. Remember, wash those hands for 20 seconds. It can certainly be tough to minimize illness when someone is sick in the house, so do your best to care for those folks without compromising yourself. Keep them comfortable but isolated. Clean and disinfect high-touch surface areas, and wash your hands as much as humanly possible. And everyone should stay on the up and up. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Wellness 101.